How to delete memories on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down to the very end and under the section of privacy control, you'll be able to see the option of memories. So tap on memories and here you can see it has been smart backed up. So just make sure to toggle off this option and then tap on auto save my story snaps. So tap on it and tap on don't auto save. Now go back and then tap on the clear cache option over here under account actions. Then tap on continue. After that, all your cache will be cleared. Next, what you can do over here is you can just clear all your search history and clear recent products and go down and tap on the my data. And as you tap on my data, you can just see if you can delete or you can just erase any of your memories over here. So here you can see these are the data that you want to download, but since we do not want to download the memories, we want to remove it, so you can just not download any of this data over here and go back. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.